Good morning, students. This is your life skill period and your revision work is going on. Yesterday, you have to do the revision of question answer and tick the correct option or MCQ. In our today video, we will do the next exercise 3 and 4, that is matching and true and false. Now we are reading lesson number 7. We are all equal. Okay, take out your rough copy. Everyone take out your rough copy. Open the page. Put the top of the page classwork within bracket revision. REVISION. Okay. Put the date here. Date is 10th December 2020. Day is Thursday. You can write here lesson 7. Lesson 7. Okay. First we will do the matching. I already write here the options which will be match. Equal, human being, all human beings are equal. Okay. Jana, what kind of girl was Jana? Jana was very proudy girl. That's why we will write here very proud. Okay, you will write the in front of the option. Okay, in front of the word. Mary, which kind of girl was Mary? Mary was very poor girl, so we will write here poor girl. Okay, you can see everyone write with the good handwriting. Friendly, everyone should be friendly. Okay, once again I have to revise it. Equal, human being, all human beings are equal. Jana was very proudy girl. Mary was a poor girl. Friendly, all human beings will be friendly. Friendly, everyone should be friendly. Okay, now our next exercise 4. Next exercise is true or false. Which option is right? In front of there we will write the true, and which option is wrong, you think that is wrong, you will write the false is there. Everyone has some good qualities. True or false? Yes, it will be true. Everyone has some good qualities. Some are good in study, some are singing, dancing, swimming. In that everyone have some good qualities. That here will be true. We should think that we are superior to others. हमें सोचना चाहिए कि हम दूसरों से superior हैं. Never, कभी नहीं. That it will be false. We never should think that we are superior than others. That it will be false. Never make fun of others. True. Never make fun of others. It is a very bad habit to make the fun of others. That's why never make fun of others. We all are not equal. Yeah, no, we all are equal. That's why your chapter name is We Are All Equal. Yes, that is false. No matter the other complexion is dark and fair, your other one is poor and rich, we all are equal. That's why this is false. This will be false. We should always be humble. Yes, we should always will be humble. Okay, learn it. This is your today's revision work, matching and true and false. You already and done it earlier. Once again you will do it. Have a nice day.